So many people think that ChatGPT is the only generative AI tool, but that's not the case. Today I will teach you about a data analysis tool that is called ChatCSV. This is a generative AI tool for data analysis. So this is how it looks in terms of its outlook. So all you need to do is, just type in chatcsv.co and then just enter, and it brings you to this empty file. So you need to log in. So the way you normally talk, but with your spreadsheet, so you can just log in. So for myself, I have logged in on this other window using my Google account. So it basically works like a generative AI where you chat or converse with it and it gives you answers. So I'll create a new chat. So I'll click on create new chat, and create new chat, it asks you to upload a file. And then after you upload the file, then you can ask it to do whatever you want. So I have a data set that I'm calling a sales data set. So I'll just attach it. It's new, so let me close it. So if you open it, so once you attach it on ChatCSV, what ChatCSV does is that it gives you a brief description of how your data looks like, right? So it's good that I show you how that data looks in Excel and compare it with how it's being analyzed or being described on ChatCSV. So you can actually see how this data looks. So the columns are as you see them: customer, city, country, shipping mode, cost, sales, profit, and quantity. So if you go to the description, you can actually see all those columns have been described. So it has described what is order ID. This is likely a unique identifier for each order. So it describes for you the whole data set. So if you get a data set and you have got no experience in data analysis, just come to ChatCSV and attach it, and it will give you the description of your data. So that's very important. So I want us to do a very quick query on it. So I am looking at different things. So there's segment. So there's home office segment, consumer, corporate segment. Let's see what is in category and subcategory. The general category of product, it seems an error is in the second row. It actually shows you there's an error, then subcategory, the specific subcategory of the product. So I probably want to see maybe what is the performance in terms of sales for segment. So I want to say what I can ask it, which segment has the best performance. And then you just enter, and let's see what it tells us. Right, yeah, so it tells us that the consumer segment has the best performance in terms of profit, right? So it has gone into that data set, analyzed it, and given us this answer. So you can even ask it the same question. So but now with subcategory, so which subcategory has the best sales performance, right? So let's see what it does in a few seconds. The bookcases subcategory has the best performance. And you can actually verify even this from your database. So if, for example, you want to just check whether that is correct. So if I come here and insert pivot tables, I can quickly come and see, let's say, for example, segments by profit. Let's see, by profit, which is the best performing. Yeah? You can actually see consumer is the best in terms of performance, right? We also looked at subcategory. Let's see which is the best subcategory performance in terms of sales. So if you look at all this, let's remove segment, right, and if you sort, you can sort this by smallest to the largest. So actually you can see our answer for bookcases is correct. So that, you can see, is a very different generative AI tool from ChatGPT that has been created, that is doing very good at data analysis. So that's something new for you. Thank you very much.